The company I've chosen is Acctg Pharmaceuticals. Acctg Pharmaceuticals operates as a specialty pharmaceutical firm based in New Zealand. It is a company listed in the New Zealand Stock Exchange, and its product portfolio entails over-the-counter OTC drugs and prescription towards the treatment of several health conditions. So currently, the company engages in the sale of 130 OTC products and especially generics. This is achieved via a sales force based in New Zealand, Southeast Asia, and Australia, hence the expansion of its geographical footprint. Apparently, Acctg presently has agreements across 109 countries regarding the distribution of Acctg, a combination of paracetamol and ibuprofen product. The company is valued at New Zealand dollars $4.73 per share. So any need for external audit. As a Russian pharmaceutical firms need external audits to ascertain that their operations are in line with stipulated guidelines. In this regard, Acctg Pharmaceutical should conduct a financial audit to assess the accuracy of its financial statements via the assessment of both inherent and control risks and financial solvency in the context of its assets and liabilities. However, the firm may require compliance audit to evaluate the extent to which it conforms to operational procedures as outlined by government regulatory bodies or contractual arrangement. So the inherent risks. The duration and magnitude of Acctg growth trend depends on its capacity to successfully implement its products in new geographies. For instance, the messaging is present in 4 geographies, while the firm has partners in 109. Therefore, the firm faces the risk of a fall in its CAGR without growth beyond the borders of New Zealand and Australia. The company will compelled to rely on their distribution and sales partners to expand this segment. Moreover, the quality of their partners will determine the extent of their sales in any particular area. Due to the risk of low level of global sales, the company is yet to prove its capacity to successfully conduct its marketing campaigns beyond its locality. However, it is promising that the Acctg product achieved a 4% share of market in the United Arab Emirates during its second year of launching. New Zealand product only has 6% share of the market with the presence of 6 years already. So the control risks. Acctg is also to supply chain risks that result from product flow interruptions, whether especially raw materials within supply chain. These risks are mainly attributed to environmental risks, social, and/or economic in both New Zealand and other locations. Finally, the firm faces pressure from the agencies of government purchasing based in New Zealand and Australia, which largely affected the firm's gross margin declining by 5% since 2013. So, in conclusion, the importance of external audit cannot be underestimated. It will help Acctg in enhancing the accuracy of its financial statements and adherence to compliance regulation while seeking to minimize or eliminate the identified inherent and control risks, respectively.